Caramelized onion bread. Ingredients: 1 large onion, chopped or thinly sliced. 1 bunch green onion bulbs, chopped. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt. Dough. 4 cups, 500 g, flour. 1 teaspoon, 5 g, salt. 25 g fresh yeast. 4 teaspoon active dry yeast. 1 bunch green onion leaves, finely chopped. 1 1/3 cup, 320 milliliters, warm water. Caramelized onion. Directions: in a frying pan, heat oil over medium heat. Cook onion until soft and golden brown. Season with salt. Set aside to cool. In a large bowl, mix flour with green onion leaves. Dissolve the fresh yeast with salt and 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters, water and add to the flour mixture. Add the rest of 1 cup, 240 milliliters, water, mix everything together, then add caramelized onion and knead until the dough is smooth and pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Cover it and let it sit for about 1 hour at room temperature to rise until doubled in size. On a floured surface, roll the dough into a loaf. Place in a 6x 10 inch, 15x 25 cm, baking tray and leave to rise again for 30 minutes. A regular loaf pan should be as good. Optional: sprinkle salt and few green onion chopped leaves on top. Preheat oven to 470 F, 240 C. Place a small pot with water at the base of the oven to create steam. Bake for 15 minutes with steam, then remove the pot with water from the oven. Reduce oven temperature to 450 F, 230 C, and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Cool on a wire rack. Let the bread cool completely before cutting.